Hello, my name is Pamela Thurman. I'm going to talk about assignment number 7, part 2. How can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? I like a saying that in the space of power to choose our responses, we are the ones that choose how we respond, how we react to other people, whether it be leadership or workers. So, using mindfulness can help us choose our response. How can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? There's benefits. There are benefits to employees. When an employee is stressed out, it makes them physically sick. So if they're practicing mindfulness and they can handle their stress, then it benefits the organization because they call in less. They don't use as many sick days. Employees can be more productive and more creative when using mindfulness. It helps them unlock their full potential. Increases the trust in leadership. When you have bad leaders, like I have, then you lose that trust. And when mindfulness being practiced by leadership, it can help them be a better leader, which then increases the trust in leadership. It can help behavior of employees. It helps them be aware, be in the present moment. It can be challenging because we don't want to change. We like doing everything the same way. We're creatures of habit. So to do something that's different can be very challenging and um, hard to integrate. One of the programs that I found was Mindful Based Wellness Program. We have a wellness program at Calhoun. We don't have a meditation training or breathing exercise, but we do have yoga. And yoga is a way to build your physical, mental strength. It can clear your mind, help with seeing things different. Breathing exercises can be done even at your desk. Just take a moment, stop, just breathe in and out. Helps you clear your mind, helps you deal with your day better. It just reduces stress and it improves communication. Waking up on the right side of the bed is when you wake up in the morning, you just refuse to have any kind of negative thoughts, and it helps your day go better. Leadership training. Leadership training is important. Leaders have to be trained just like employees to be able to lead their team, lead their organization, lead their self. It focuses on mindfulness, and you have regular guided meditation programs, your conscious communication, and it's courses to help the leaders for pitfalls of their multitasking because leaders have a lot of stress too. They have a lot going on, they have a lot to deal with. Because they have bosses too. So, leadership training could be very beneficial. Meditation training for executives, meditation training for employees. You have guided meditation groups. It can be done during work hours. They can have silent lunches, silent rooms that they could go in and practice their meditation. It can readjust their mindset, readjust the way they think, readjust how they react to their coworkers, how they look at the rest of the day. They can be more productive. Mindful, mindfulness micro practices. This is only for employees that had completed the meditation program, so this is like a level 2. It will help them integrate mindfulness in their everyday life. It would help them practice um, meditation. I practice meditation at night. It helps me sleep. I was having problems sleeping. Uh, since I've been practicing meditation, I'm a lot relaxed, more relaxed. My mind's clear. I don't have the thoughts running through my head 90 to nothing. So it helps me rest at night. So a meditation is a wonderful thing. Mindfulness coaching promotes teamwork. We all have to work together and we need to work as a team. With this mindfulness coaching, it helps bring teamwork into the picture. It gives the teams the ability to listen to one another. Um, when we listen, we can communicate better, give our undivided attention to each other, not interrupt when another coworker is talking. It just will promote that teamwork that we all desperately need. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I felt like these were real good examples of different things that an organization can integrate into their mindfulness program. It can benefit the employees. It can benefit leadership. It helps keep the employees less stressed, communicating with each other, working as a team, um, working with their leadership. All of it's so important, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.